Hello and welcome to a beautiful day in Wicklow. I am down on a gorgeous little river here in Wicklow. There's not a whole lot of flow here, so upstream I have the Cali sluice box. So what I'm doing today is I'm using 1/4 inch classification because I knew there wasn't a lot of flow. So the area I'm working here, just in front of the camera here, is a section of bedrock. Because of the fact that I was sitting down a boulder and I was always panning here, and I wanted this as a nice deep pool, I never actually worked this area. Now I've uncovered this, and it's bedrock all the way across. The last day I was down here, myself and a buddy were digging through. I ran through the sluice. He said, can I just take a few scoops out there? Yeah, go for it, I'm finished for the day. And I got a little baby picker of it. Oh, some seriously nice gold coming out of here. Because it's all bedrock, I'm going to use a sucker tube. These are the sucker tubes I make. This particular one I like because it has a handle on it. I do make ones without the handle if you want, but I love the handle because it makes life easy. Watch, I'll show you. So all we're doing is just going into the bedrock here. Go straight down to the classifier. As I say, I am going 1/4 inch for the time being, so occasionally you'll see me double drawn, and that's where I'm trying to get right into the cracks in the bedrock. So the other thing that I have today, what I've done before I put on the camera, was I took a rake and dragged all the material back. So by dragging all the material back, I get the big rocks out of the way, and I don't run the risk of rocks getting jammed in here. If you want to hazard a guess who makes this? Yes, of course, it is True Temper. By the way, True Temper, if you're watching this, please sponsor me. I buy everything from you, honestly. So, because it's 1/4 inch, you don't get to move an awful lot of material before you have to clear it. So all I'll do, nice and simple, rattle, rattle, bounce, 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 rattle, 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 done. So I'm just going to pile up the tailings off to the side here. 4 shovels is 1 bucket, and about 60 draws of sucker tube is 1 bucket. So if you ever have a chance to get a shovel load, take it. Got about 1/8 of a bucket there. Look, we might as well go down to the sluice box and run it because I want to see if it's working correctly. Right, so you can see I have the Cali set up there. Hopefully you can see that. I'll give you a different angle later on. For the time being, I just want to get this material through and see if it's working. If it works really fast, I might just drop to 1/2 inch, and that means I can get through a lot more material. So let's just try this and see how it gets on. Ah yeah, that's grand. Right, I think it needs a little bit more drop. I'll just give it more drop if I can, without disturbing it too much. So the easiest way to give it more drop is to find a nice flat rock, nice flat rock, and put that underneath here. Perfect. Now, let's have a go. Oh yeah, now that's looking real nice. Let me just take some gravel here, just random stuff. Let's see how that gets on. Yep, that was unclassified. Well, it'll definitely take 1/2 inch. So as you saw there, the 1/4 inch material went through absolutely fine. I put a bit more drop on it, and now it's absolutely flying on through. So there's a section here of bedrock. I'll give you a closer look later on. For now, I'm just going to work on filling up this bucket as best we can with 1/2 inch. So see where the water changes this kind of brown colour? That's decomposing bedrock and iron, and that's a very good sign for gold. And say we're on a place we've been digging since probably middle of January. All I'll do is just give her a quick bounce. If you don't have gloves, you don't have to put your hands in the water. Just rattle it to the side, and she's done. And again, I'll pile the rocks up behind. So I just thought I'd give you a different angle of things. You can't really see the bedrock correctly because it's all murky from when we disturbed that clay material, or that iron. So I'm just going to sucker tube out of the cracks in the bedrock there. Right, that's probably enough for now. It's getting nice and deep there. Nice there. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That's nice. Seeing more and more of this black rocks with quartz on it. Absolutely gorgeous material. Very nice indeed. Okay, so we're doing pretty well there. We're getting through a lot of gravel. The buckets are filling up pretty quickly, and we can see it is working on 1/2 inch. So what I'm going to do is going to put you in time-lapse mode. I'm going to run about 6 buckets and then do a clean out. Let's go find the shiny. Just down the sluice box now, just about to run the 3rd bucket. The reason I'm turning the camera on now is I just want to give you a quick view of the gold that's sitting in the mat. I can see it from here. Very nice. Looking forward to seeing this on the screen. Keep right here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, there's piece over here as well. Nice. Few nice pieces of gold there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through the third bucket now and then keep going until we get to 6. When we get to 6 buckets, we'll do a clean out and we'll see where we're at. This is working out pretty well. Let's go find some shiny. Okay, so we'll feed on this material through. I'm going to put it into fast frame in a second, but just thought I'd let you see it from this angle. Just to give you a different angle on things there as the gravel runs on through. You see where I have a lovely curtain off the end. That's exactly what you want with this sluice box. Still on bucket number 3. Tough out material to get through. I'm looking forward to the days when we get more water up here and I can run the Dream at full cell, or even the NWV4 with the auto feeder. Alright, that's bucket number 3. I'm going to keep going. I have the other one, this is the bottom bucket, that'll be bucket number 4. So if I do 2 more buckets plus the bottom one, and that'll be us at 6. Yeah. Ooh, hello. Sorry, 1 second, I just saw more gold. I was just about to wrap up there and I just saw more gold there. Oh, wow. Looks like gold from here. Let's have a look here. Look at one of them. Oh, nice one. Oh yeah, we're properly on the gold now. Let's continue processing, Gert. Let's go find more shiny just like that. Let's go find the shiny. Right, so I've managed to run through a total of 6 buckets, including the bottom bucket. And the bottom bucket, which is sitting there most of the day, had gold in it. So I'm just going to show you very briefly what's on the VMAT, then we'll take it out of the river and then we'll do a proper clean out. So just show you that now, 1 second. Nice chunky pieces there, look at that. I'll get the light behind it. I don't know if you can see that properly. There's a nice piece there. There's a very nice piece there. A couple of nice pieces over here as well. So what I'm going to do now is going to put the sluice up on the bank and we'll do a proper clean out. And yeah, we'll see how much shiny there is. We'll pan it down. It should be very good. Oh, I tell you, this place is a surprise every single time I'm here. It's absolutely no gold, loads of gold. Absolutely no gold, no gold. No gold, no gold, loads of gold. It's part of the adventure, isn't it? Right, let's crack on with it. Let's go clean out the sluice. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, we've run 6 buckets through the sluice box. Now it's time to clean out. The interest is simplicity. I'll pick it up, put it on the bank, and we'll wash it out into a bucket there. So all we'll do is just pick up the end of it and straight up out of the water. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. There's some nice big pieces there. Happy days. These are the Woody's buckets. I love them because of the size of them. Look, fits perfectly in there. Excellent stuff. Grand. It's going to park a nice big iron stone in there. These rocks are everywhere here. Right, let's just rinse this down. Yeah, that's good. Problem here is I'm taking up gravel as I'm washing it, which is not ideal. Yeah, that's not too bad. Not seeing any gold left in there. Sweet. And just turn this upside down a second. Just clean it this way as well. All the advancements of technology. Throw water out with your hand. That water doesn't taste very nice. And pan into here. And we already saw some nice pieces of gold. So I saw some nice pieces of gold on the mat. And then there's also going to be the gold that's in the sluice itself. So let's have a quick look here. Again, like with any other drop river sluice, not a whole lot of cons to go through. So all I'll do is spin her down nice and gentle, bring it to the front, 1, 2, nice and gently, bring it back, stratify, bring it to the front, 1, 2, and I'm only washing the front nipple. Shake, 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 bring it to the front, 1, 2, notice how the water, look, the water only comes up to here. You don't want the water coming all the way in because then you get pulled stuff out far forward. 2, and 1, 2, we'll do one more. 1, 2, oh look at the gold in the corner, right, that's it, we're stopping. Stratify it more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grand, excellent stuff. Now let's have a look. Let's come over a bit to the light. Oh, he's bright over here. Right, might need to work this down a bit more, but let's have a quick gander and see how we're getting on. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Gold, how much is here? Oh yes! Oh, nice! Oh yeah! Remember in episode 8 where I said I'm done with this place, that's it, goodbye, I'm going somewhere else? Well, I've been to somewhere else. There's not much gold in those places as there is here. That's actually not bad. I only ran 6 buckets. Just gonna take the camera off my head for a second. Just tip out the water, just so I can verify you can see that. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that. Nice chunky pieces there. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then maybe 3 or 4 smaller pieces, plus whatever is left in here. Hope you've enjoyed today's episode of hand dredging bedrock in search of gold. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I've previously posted and the ones we post in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and sure, catch you next one. We can all go buy more shiny. Bye bye.